I have a document saying they knew they were going to break my home 2.5 years before the construction started. And they went ahead and broke it.
Homeowners waiting for compensation. 15 years ago, a state judge ruled that the Sewerage and Water Board has to pay for property damages near a series of major drainage projects. In the meantime, the utility has spent millions so it wouldn't have to pay that money. Chief Investigative Reporter Greg LaRose has looked into why lawyers and experts are being paid, but property owners are not.
I love the city, and it's a wonderful place, but the Sewage and Water Board is not treating its citizens like it should.
We're on the Napoleon Avenue neutral ground. It's one of 5 corridors uptown where the Army Corps of Engineers and Sewage and Water Board made major upgrades to the underground drainage canals. And before that work even began, homeowners and business owners were told on their properties they should expect damage.
Lo and behold, they did damage them, hundreds of them.
A process was set up so property owners could submit their damage claims for approval. Any claims paid could be credited toward what the Sewage and Water Board owes the Army Corps for its cost share of the drainage projects. So one way or the other, this money had to be paid.
They could have made it so easy at the beginning.
David Epstein lives along Prytania Street. He's among a group of plaintiffs who won a judgment against the Sewage and Water Board. They haven't seen any of that money. Meanwhile, David's left with foundation problems.
Every vehicle that went by, heavy construction vehicle, you felt the house shake.
Court records show damage judgments against the Sewage and Water Board have totaled more than $10 million so far.
But we were assured that the city would step right up and make good. Well, silly us.
Another $1.2 million was awarded for plaintiffs' attorneys and their costs. So how much has the Sewage and Water Board spent on outside lawyers and experts to fight these claims? We asked for those records. More than a month ago, the Sewage and Water Board has asked for more time to provide them.
These are still the original plaster walls.
7 years ago, before drainage work on Napoleon Avenue began, Tommy Ryan was worried about the impact on his house.
I'm extremely concerned that lowering the water table and vibration will damage the plaster and the foundation.
Today, Tommy has to fix his foundation before repairing water leaks and wood rot. He's another plaintiff who's won his case against the Sewage and Water Board, but still hasn't seen any money.
I'll be 75 years old, and that I'm not going to get a second mortgage on this house. No one's going to give it to me.
You can see where the stairs have separated.
Tommy's neighbor, Virginia Saucy, is in the same boat, waiting for her judgment to be paid while her historic home crumbles.
So I live in a house of cards with hundreds of thousands of dollars in damage.
When we asked questions about the unpaid damages to the Sewage and Water Board, they pointed us to Mayor LaToya Cantrell for answers. Although the utility is not technically a city agency, the mayor serves as president of the board. Her spokesperson says damages awarded have been significantly less than the plaintiff's unreasonable demands at trial. The plaintiff's lawyers' refusal to participate in the board's claims process could have reduced litigation for all parties, according to the mayor's office. Lawyers for plaintiffs declined to be interviewed. They're now suing in federal court to force the Sewage and Water Board to pay up.
Yeah, they owe me. Yeah, they owe me big time.
Dorothy Wright is waiting on her court-awarded damages. Without that money, she can't fix her home that's just across the street from the Sewage and Water Board plant.
Because I just pray and ask the Lord, don't let it fall out on us, That's all I be told.
Some homeowners feel there's money out there to cover all of their repair costs, pointing to the hundreds of millions of dollars coming to the city in pandemic relief funds. But Mayor Cantrell says that money can only be used directly related to COVID-19 recovery. For WDSU Investigates, I'm Greg LaRose.